cock-a-doodle-doo. Without me, no one would wake up. Oh no, my voice is gone! If I can't wake the farm, who will?
I can help.
You're too small to wake up the farm.
Achoo.
The farm woke up without me? I guess I was wrong. Even the smallest animals can do big things.
Everyone has a role to play.
Next time I'll remember that. Cock-a-doodle-doo.